Alright, what is up everyone? I have here another video of me cleaning a GPU. This will be my third video of cleaning GPUs. So far I've cleaned my 1080 that I got for $80. I also cleaned my Sapphire HD 7790 1 gig, and now finally my last GPU that I own. Besides my main GPU on my computer, I have this GTX 970 from Zotac. It came in a computer that I bought for $100. My brother has been using this for a bit. He just got a new GPU, so he was using this while he was saving up to get a new GPU. And now I have it on. I have it with me now, and we're gonna clean it. When I got this GPU, I did not clean it at the time. But now I kind of do want to clean them, make a video of it. So as you can see, the tools that I'll be using, and just stuff that I normally use when I clean stuff. I got my regular screwdriver bits here, magnetic tray, alcohol, painter's brush, and right here is some thermal paste. So yeah, let's go ahead and start cleaning this. Hopefully it's not a long video. I'm just gonna do it as quickly as possible. You'll see how I'll show you right now how it looks, and then you'll see the after. All right, so this is GPU. As you can see, there's dust in there. The fans are dusty, all in there. So I have not cleaned this since I got it. There you go. All right, let's open this up and clean it up. 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe that's all you have to remove for this to come off. I maybe be wrong, maybe it's just these 4, so let's try that. All right, 4 screws are off. Now let's see if that's all we need to remove. Yep, so it looks like that was everything I needed to remove. And some of the thermal pad is coming off, so that's not good. Okay, that's no good. If I can, okay, I saved it. As you can see, the thermal pad came off. That's not good. I don't have any thermal pad to reuse, so I'm gonna try to save this as much as possible. I believe you can buy these in on Amazon, pretty cheap probably, but I don't have any to replace it with, so I want to save it. I used to have some extra, but I don't know what the hell I did with it. Let's get this right here. Yeah, it should work, Oh shit, I'm not even in the camera. There you go. So what I did do when I first got it was replace the thermal paste. So as you can see, this thermal paste is exactly this one, but when I got it, that's all I did. I just replaced thermal paste. I didn't clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean it up and replace it again. All right, there you go. So here's the GPU. It's a little dusty in there. A brush will get it all off. Thermal paste, it's pretty in there. I'll try to clean it the best I can. Cool. Here's the heat sink. It's kind of dirty. We're gonna clean that up, make it look nice. Again. All right, so I'm gonna just get this cleaned up as probably the quickest thing to do. I'm gonna remove this. This is why I like the painter's brush. All this dust, you can just move it out the way, push it all out. You can use compressed air as well, or a little electric blower. I have a Ryobi inflator that you can also use as blower to blow air. but that's just gonna throw the dust everywhere inside, so you want to do that outside. So I just use a little brush, you know, keep it controlled in here. Clean it all up. All right, it's looking a lot better, you know. Let me just clean that thermal paste. All right, so that's the chip cleaned. I know there's a ton of freaking thermal paste around the chip. My previous attempt was not great. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Not a big deal. I don't want to ruin the GPU. Usually when I clean the outer side of the chip, I break one of the tiniest chips in there. I don't know what they're called, but they come off and it's just a bad day. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Put this to the side. We're done with this. I'm done with this. I'm gonna, you can brush off the back too. And dust that's back there. And yeah, this one's done. Let's move on to the heatsink. There you go. Clean it with the thermal paste. So you can see, it looks like the copper is shiny. It's different color now. It's pretty cool, but it's all cleaned. You know, hopefully that's good contact with the chip. And let's go ahead and remove the heatsink from the shell and the fans. For this, I think this just screws in the sides. For the 970, it's pretty cool. Alright, so this is the shell here, or the cover. And these are the fans, and the heatsink's down there. I guess I can leave the fans on. And probably just brush it off like this. Oh, there's a lot of dust coming off. Oh, I broke it previously. I tried to put it back with super glue. It didn't work. Wow, okay. Alright, that looks a lot better. I think that's it for this. We're pretty much done. It looks a lot better for sure. Usually I would clean the fans with like alcohol and paper, but that's not really necessary. That's just, you know, it's a little extra. Just removing the dust is fine. You know, I'm getting thermal paste all over it. Let me clean myself. Oh, I still gotta clean this shell actually. So let me clean this. This I will be using a paper towel and alcohol just because it's gonna look shiny. Right, so that's the cover here, the shell, whatever you call this part. Now let's go ahead and put it together. So this one goes like this, other way. Then pretty much like I'm going to do everything in reverse, putting everything back. Alright, the heatsink is back on, like so. That looks a lot better for sure. I should have bought, I definitely will one day, don't know when, but buy some thermal pads to replace. But these are pretty good, you know, they'll do the job. No crazy games will be played on this anyways. Not even any game at all yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the thermal paste on the GPU right there. That is a ton of thermal paste. I know. So let me just go ahead and plug this back in. Okay, so this goes this way. For the fans. Alright, that's connected. Then we'll do one of these. Bap. And then one of these. And a line. And I think that's a line there. and then I'm gonna press gently in the middle so it won't move. And then I'm gonna put the screws in. Alright, so there you go. That's it. So this is the GPU after the cleaning. No more dust in there, you know, all that cool stuff. New thermal paste. Good old-fashioned copper exposed here. And that's all for this video. This is the last GPU that I have that I'll do a cleaning on. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If I did something stupid, let me know. If you recommend something I can use to clean GPUs whenever they get dirty again, let me know. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.